Hey there, I'm certified nutritional therapist Kelsey Ale, and today I'm going to show you how you can cook delicious, fat-burning keto meals spending just 5 to 20 minutes in the kitchen. I know. A lot of men and women are scared of keto because they think that it means a lot of meal prepping and chopping and complicated recipes that take hours to cook. Well, today I've got a surprise for you that changes all of that. Let me introduce you to my brand new Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook. Here's how it works. Every recipe inside this book uses the slow cooker appliance to make cooking as quick and easy as possible. Now, if you didn't know, this kitchen appliance is a busy person's savior and a lazy person's dream, because all you do is toss your ingredients in the slow cooker and turn it on, and then you can forget about it. You can go and do something else, and when you get back a few hours later, you'll have a fully cooked, fat-burning, keto-friendly meal ready to eat for you and for your family. Incredibly, most of these recipes can be set up in just 5 to 20 minutes. Imagine spending just 5 to 20 minutes in the kitchen to cook a big meal. How much time and energy would you save every single day? And it's not just bland, everyday meals either. You'll be chowing down on mouth-watering keto feasts like creamy sun-dried tomato chicken, tangy sweet and sour brisket, braised lamb shanks with pine nuts, and that's just the beginning. Inside the Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook, you'll find 80 delicious slow cooker recipes for chicken, beef, pork, lamb, shrimp, and even dessert. Each one is made with keto-friendly ingredients, and we've made sure to keep each one low in carbs to keep you in fat-burning ketosis around the clock. In fact, most of these recipes have just 5 grams of net carbs or less. Keto is one of the hottest weight loss diets sweeping through the health world right now because it eases your body into a turbocharged state of fat-burning ketosis, which means you'll be eating until you're full without worrying about counting calories or going hungry. Now you can see why the Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook is the perfect cookbook for the keto beginner to get into incredible shape, or for someone who just wants to save time and energy in the kitchen while getting their dream body. And here's another surprise for you. Today, I'm giving away 500 copies of the Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook absolutely free. That's right. If you are one of the lucky few, you can get a beautiful copy of my brand new Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook shipped straight to your doorstep, absolutely free. Feel free to open it up and flip through the pages, take a look at the beautiful illustrations. Then you can get started on your keto weight loss journey by trying one of the easy recipes. All you have to do is cover the small shipping and handling fee, and it'll arrive in the mail in about 5 business days. If you don't have a slow cooker, no worries. You can find one at your local supermarket or on Amazon for $30 or less, which means you can get started cooking delicious, fat-burning meals like crispy cashew chicken, chipotle spiced barbacoa beef, blueberry lemon cake, and more. The best part is, slow cooking really brings the flavor out of garlic, onion, and other spices. It makes meats so tender they fall right off the bone. So good. Inside the Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook, you'll find 10 breakfast recipes like raspberry chia coconut yogurt, grain-free granola, and sausage casserole. 8 soup recipes for cold days like clam chowder, chipotle chicken, and creamy shrimp. 15 chicken recipes that give you great all-day energy, like coconut curry chicken, sweet chili drumsticks, and chicken tikka masala. 11 beef recipes that'll have the family coming back for seconds, like beef short ribs, Chinese 5-spice beef, and classic slow cooker meatloaf. 7 pork recipes that'll be a hit at friend or family gatherings, like pork chops, barbecue pork ribs, and pork chili. And 5 more lamb, shrimp, and turkey recipes for when you want to spice things up, like fiery shrimp tacos, slow cooker gumbo, and keto jambalaya. 10 dessert recipes that satisfy your sweet tooth without overloading you with carbs, like chocolate molten lava cake, carrot cake with cashew frosting, and strawberry rhubarb crumble, and more. And it's all inside this brand new cookbook. So if you're interested, click the big button at the bottom of this page to claim your free copy of the Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook. We've got just 500 free copies today, and once they're out, we'll be forced to take this page down. Remember, all you have to do is cover the small shipping and handling fee. And since we wanted to make this as risk-free as possible, I've made sure that you're covered by a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied for any reason at all, just send us an email within 60 days and we'll give you a full refund. However, I think you're really going to enjoy this book because, as you'll find out, it may just be the easiest, simplest, most beginner-friendly way to get your dream body with the keto diet today. Just imagine how great that'll feel. So click the button at the bottom of this page and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching.